In this video, I'm going to talk about fall memories, winter memories, and spring memories. You have all this space here. You can write. You can make your font really big and write a little bit. You can write a whole bunch. You can also put pictures if you want to. When I think about fall, I think about the beginning of the year. So, do you have pictures from the beginning of the year from your teacher, or do you want to talk about a project you did at the beginning of the year? You can start typing. At the beginning of the year, there were pumpkins on the wall outside. You want that to be its own memory. Take this box, make it a little smaller. That's one thing. And now I can do another one over here. When I think of fall, I think about Halloween. For Halloween, I dressed up as Wonder Woman and we had a parade. It was awesome. You can take this and you can make it really cool. And so you can draw different boxes and write in them. If you have pictures from the beginning of the year, you could fill this whole page up with pictures. You could put one really big picture. If your teacher shared photos with you in Google Drive, click here and click on Drive. And then if you are in Shared with Me, scroll down and there should be a folder if your teacher shared with you. If they did it a different way, then that is totally fine. I have something that was shared with me that's called Photos of the Class. I click on it and then here are my photos. So this picture is actually from Thanksgiving, so I can put it in there too if I want to. Okay, so do that for fall. For winter, I think about in the winter, we have a pajama day. We sometimes will have a holiday party where we have hot cocoa. So, if I don't have pictures of that, I could put a picture of hot chocolate because we read the Polar Express right before winter break and we drink hot cocoa. So I could search for hot chocolate and I could put that in. I also know that in the winter, there are a lot of different celebrations. So you can search for those on the internet. You can put in pictures. Winter, spring. You can put in some pictures of spring as well. So have fun with these 3 different pages and put in memories. You can write, you can put pictures, whatever you want to represent these different seasons.